Do you ever wonder, how can we overcome the immense challenges of wastewater treatment in an efficient and cost-effective way? The answer lies in the revolutionary technology of the SynaPure Wastewater treatment system offered by SynaGrow, the premier provider of sustainable wastewater and biosolids management solutions in North America. The SynaPure Wastewater treatment system is a water-as-a-service solution that's both flexible and economical. A sustainable, skid-mounted, mobile, membrane filtration-based system that provides on-demand, pay-as-you-go water and wastewater treatment for various applications. These include landfill leachate, lagoon wastewater, and municipal and industrial wastewater treatment. This cutting-edge membrane filtration system offers an impressive 14 different grades of purity, making it a contaminant-agnostic solution, capable of treating a variety of influent sources, and offering a limit of technology effluent treatments for organics, inorganics, metals, and nutrients. Emerging contaminants like PFAS, boron, and microplastics represent new challenges in water treatment. The SynaPure system reduces these contaminants to non-detect levels, ensuring the highest level of water purity possible, safeguarding both the environment and your peace of mind. One of the standout features of the SynaPure system is its modular nature. This allows for rapid deployment and easy scale-up, making it a versatile solution for a myriad of wastewater treatment needs. Perhaps the most enticing aspect of the SynaPure system is its unique subscription-based service. This innovative approach provides flexibility for seasonal deployment, helping to avoid large upfront capital and operational investments. In turn, this reduces overall cost and risk for you, making sustainable wastewater treatment more accessible and manageable than ever before. Discover the SynaPure system and embrace the future of sustainable wastewater treatment.